Hi, my name is Chris Wade, and I am a contractor from the city of Los Angeles. Today I'm going to show you how to clean grout joints in tile. Your grout joints are dirty, and you want to clean them. This works in pretty much any type of a grout, whether it's ceramic, porcelain, granite, whatever it may be. Basically, we're going to take a toothbrush and some water with some couple of teaspoons of like vinegar, and we're just going to spray it on top of here. You could use peroxide, diluted peroxide, or diluted vinegar, whatever you have available. Either one works just as good. Take your toothbrush, get inside those grout lines, get it nice and clean. A little bit of elbow grease. You know, if you do this once or twice a month, I guarantee you it will not be that difficult to do. Just maintain it. One vinegar, peroxide, they work just as well as the other one. And just if you maintain this a couple times a week, I guarantee you that it'll keep it looking fresh. You want to take a rag, just wipe it down, get all the water off of it. This is what you do to clean the grout joints in your tile.